far beneath your feet, hidden under rock, soil, and stone. A force is building. It grows in silence, pushing upward, harder than fire. It can shake the ground, split mountains in two, and pour rivers of lava across the land. It's not a creature. It's not a myth. It's a volcano. Some sleeps for centuries. Some roar to life without warning. All of them hold incredible power. So today, we're answering the big question of what makes a volcano erupt. Volcanoes erupt because of the way heat moves beneath Earth's surface. Deep inside our planet, heat travels from the Earth's interior to its surface, mainly through convection, which is heat transferred by the movement of a heated fluid. In volcanoes, that fluid is magma. Molten rock formed by parts of Earth's mantle and crust melt due to intense heat and pressure underground. This magma is incredibly hot. After exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, as it heats, it becomes less dense and rises slowly through cracks of the Earth's crust. Over time, magma collects in large underground reservoirs called magma chambers beneath volcanoes. For an eruption to happen, enough magma must build up to generate pressure and push up. Magma alone doesn't always cause eruptions. Something must trigger it. New magma from deep inside Earth can quickly raise pressure, or gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, or sulfur dioxide expand as magma rises. Sometimes landslides or earthquakes remove material from the volcano's top, reducing pressure and letting magma escape. When these conditions line up, magma forces its way through cracks and erupts as lava. These eruptions can create flowing lava, towering ash clouds, and volcanic cones. The strength and style of eruptions vary widely, from gentle lava flows to magma's journey from deep inside Earth to the surface shapes of our planet's landscape. Volcanic eruptions release gases that impact air quality and climate around the world. Scientists study eruptions to better predict when and where they might happen next. Understanding volcanoes helps keep communities safe and prepares us for nature's power. So thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.